Guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. With that being said, today is the battle of the dupes. Yes, I'm getting these dupes out, but this time it is the battle of the drugstore brand versus the drugstore brand. Look how I'm doing it with a little thuggish little drugstore on. With that being said, we will be putting St. Ives Blemishing Apricot Scrub to the test with Equate Beauty's Apricot Scrub. Now, I don't want to hear it from anyone. You know, I feel like St. Ives Apricot Scrub gets a bad rep, and I think when Kylie came out with one, it got a bad rep. Although Ole Henriksen has a apricot scrub that actually contains walnut shell powder in it, and Ole Henriksen didn't get a bad rep for their walnut scrub powder scrub. With that being said, you guys know where I'm trying to go with this. Don't knock this product. This is a really great product. A lot of celebrities do use this product, and a lot of people do use this product. So if you are like one of those bougie skincare people, you know, I do a variety of skincare videos on this channel. This is just my this right now is my rant of please don't dislike this video, because I swear I get so many dislikes and I'm like, why am I not like? I want y'all to like me, and I already feel this video getting disliked. So I'm like, please don't dislike this video. Don't knock it until you try it. It's a really great product. It removes makeup. It helps with acne. When I was broke, before I could even afford like good skincare like the Tatchas and the Drunk Elephants of the world, St. Ives was my go-to. So with that being said, I've always wondered, was the Equate brand as good as the St. Ives brand? So that's what we're gonna see today, and let's watch both products. So we're gonna watch Equate Beauty first. So this is Equate Beauty, which is the Walmart version. It does have that creamy consistency. I will say it's much gentle to me than the Walmart St. Ives. So this one seems a little bit more gentle to me for some odd reason than the Walmart, the St. Ives version. Can you guys see? Look at that. Really a different texture. Like, oh my God, this one is much coarser. The St. Ives is much coarser. So if you can see the difference, like this is Equate Beauty and this is St. Ives. Can you guys see? So from what I'm experiencing, as I'm even looking at it on my hand, is the St. Ives version is much coarser. Okay, you guys, so my face is wet. So we are going to put Equate Beauty on this side of my face and St. Ives on this side of my face. I'm kind of dyslexic, but the left side and the right side, I'm like, left, right. Okay, so let's start off with Equate Beauty. We'll say, like, if we're talking about scent, because I forgot to tell you guys about the scent. The Equate Beauty stinks. It smells like plastic. It's not really a nice scent. It's like you're just supposed to just massage it into your face, get in and get out. So it's not a scent. So if you're looking for a really nice scent, Equate Beauty is... Equate Beauty is, oh, it smells bad. So let's do St. Ives. Even though the St. Ives is coarse, I will say the base is a little bit more creamier in texture. I'm noticing it. Yeah, it's really creamy. Yeah, look at all that creaminess. Wow. So I don't think this one's gonna dry my face out as much as the Equate Beauty probably will. And I will say that there's a little bit more irritation from the Equate Beauty. So if you are like big on not wanting your skin to be a little irritated, Equate Beauty is very irritating. I could like feel it irritating my skin. So that's just probably me. You know, my skin leans on combination, so I have that funny type of skin. So With that being said, these are both of the masks. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can actually see how creamy. You know what? I feel like I'm not giving Equate Beauty the justice, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little more Equate Beauty, but it still doesn't have that creaminess though. It just does not have that creaminess that St. Ives does. I don't understand why. And if you could tell, St. Ives is like creamy. It's not as streaky. Equate Beauty is really streaky to me. I don't understand why Equate Beauty. Okay, you guys, so I am all up in your face. With that being said, this is St. Ives. If you can see how creamy it looks, it's not as streaky. And this is Equate Beauty. So yeah, oh, did I put my nose? Oh my God, oh, please. Oh, I was so scared it was gonna get in my eye. That would have been a wrap for the video. This is Equate Beauty. Can you guys see? Look at the difference in textures. It's kind of weird because they have the same ingredients, but the texture is so different. Like this is really creamy, and this looks just dry and ashy. So I don't feel like I was being biased. I did put the same amount of St. Ives Apricot Scrub as I did Equate Beauty's Apricot Scrub. The smell, now let's go over the smell. I also want to say the irritation has left. So maybe it was just a quick little irritation because I don't feel irritated no more and I don't feel like I want to scratch my face anymore. So it has left the Equate Beauty side. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the scrubs off, and then we could go ahead and see what my face looks with. Okay, you guys, so I've officially rinsed both apricot scrubs off my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face and then we can talk about it. Okay, you guys, so we're back and this is what my face looks like. So this is St. Ives. Can you guys see St. Ives? And this is Equate Beauty, aka Walmart. And this is my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Okay, let's look in the mirror. Wow, I was really hyping St. Ives up, but I actually look way better on the the Equate Beauty side of my face. Like, you guys, I'm literally breaking out on this side of my face. And I said there was irritation. There's virtually no breakout on this side of my face. Can you guys literally see that? Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys, my battery's about to die. I'm about to change it and then we'll be back to relook. Well, let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so I will be using Larimar Elixir just to add some moisture to my face. You can find Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. Larimar Elixir does contain all natural blue tansy essential oil, so make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. There's a few times when I do this show. Side note, I really want to change the name to this show. Is it a dupe? I like that name better. So let me know, do you guys want Battle of the Dupe or is it a dupe? Anyways, with that being said, there's a few times I do this show where I'm like, it's a contender, it's way better. This one is actually way better than St. Ives, and I am practically shocked. Even as I feel my face, like my face is much smoother on this side versus St. Ives. And I think a lot of that had to do with there was more of a manual exfoliation going on this side of my face. This side of my face, the St. Ives feels very jagged. It broke me out. It may do different things for your skin. But honestly, if you were on a budget, or even if you weren't on a budget and you're a name brand type of girl, I would just tell you to go ahead and get Equate Beauty. There's no difference, honey. I would actually Instagram Equate Beauty right now saying, hey, I got my Equate Beauty. And people may make fun of you and say, oh, well, St. Ives is better. How dare you get the cheap product. But honestly, you guys, looking at my skin looks much better on the dupe, the Equate Beauty side, than the St. Ives side of my face, which is really interesting due to the fact that Equate Beauty, you made a better product. How did you do that? You copied someone else's product and made it better. How is that possible? Now I'm like side-eyeing myself. So should I stop buying Aveeno and go ahead ahead and get Equate Beauty's version of a Aveeno lotion? Like, I'm literally thinking these things inside of my head as we're speaking right now. Should I go ahead and buy, instead of buying your serum, should I go ahead and just buy Walmart's Equate Beauty version? Like, those things are going on inside of my head. Can you make toothpaste Equate Beauty? Anyways, you guys, I'm just joking, but it really was a great product. I'm gonna have to give it to Equate Beauty. Come through. You've won this battle of the dupes. Is it a dupe? Thanks, Equate Beauty. With that being said, you guys, let me know in the comments your thoughts, which one you love. And please, if you are a bougie girl and you don't like this video, I'm sorry. Sometimes I like to do these videos. You know, I go between drugstore and high-end. It's okay. Sometimes drugstore is better than high-end. We've done it a lot on this channel. Hence St. Ives versus Equate Beauty. There you have it. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you would like me to dupe another product, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.